Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how we can round specific corner in Canva. So this will be work on image as well as shapes. So let me start the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva. So let me first insert one image here. Okay, so this is my image. Now just expand it and make it full size and keep it middle of the page. Now create the two copies. Just copy it and paste here. Okay, so now we have the total 3 copies. All three make sure the same place. Okay, now we have 3 copies. Now go to the positions, and here this is our background. Then we have this copy, then this second, and this is first is, you can see, this is a on top. Okay, so go to the in this first copy, last copy. Okay, and you can round it the corner. Okay, now you can't see this, but make it round first. Now go to the second copy, and from here you can just crop it like this. And this first copy you need to crop it like this. Okay, now click again third copy. So we have the rounded corner. Again go here and just round what, okay, as per you want. Now just click outside and go to the share and go to the see all and just copy the clipboard and add the another page and paste this clipboard here. So now we have this image. Now you can crop it at your exact size like this. Okay, you can delete that original. Now we have this image with one side or specific corner rounded. You can see this is for image. And now let me show in shapes. So come to the elements, search for shapes. I just shapes, type here shapes, select that shapes here. Okay, so this shape we have already rounded, so I just make it proper, no rounded corner. So now just maximize the size. Okay, just maximize the size and just copy it. And we need the 3 copy, so we need 4 copy total. Okay, so just make it size like this. Okay, okay, just create one copy first, then minimize the size, then you can copy it another 2 copy like this. Now we have that original. Go to, select that and go to the shape, sorry, that rounded corner option, and just round the corner like this. Now you can put this small shapes on every corner like this. Okay, so now you can see the shapes has been convert to the one side rounded or specific corner rounded. Now you can select the all elements and group it. Okay, now you can minimize or maximize the size like this. And if you want to edit your customize your round, go to the position. Okay, so we have these shapes selected, and you can increase your round corner like this. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.